On the 8th of December 2020, the first COVID vaccine was administered to the public as part of the UK's vaccination programme. Since then, 33 million people, over half the UK's population, have received the first dose of their vaccine, with over 12 million people having received both. Since the vaccine rollout, cases in the UK have fallen by 96% since their peak in January this year, and COVID-19 deaths have fallen from 1,800 per day to now 22 per day. The Prime Minister Boris Johnson celebrated this milestone achievement as the country begins to ease its national restrictions, but also announced further measures to combat future surges in the pandemic anticipated by scientific research later this year.
We've now vaccinated 33 million people. We're creating a new antivirals task force to search for the most promising new medicines and support their development through clinical trials with the aim of making them safely and rapidly available as early as the autumn.
Amongst the 274 vaccination sites across the UK, the National Health Service has also partnered with the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community UK to hold pop-up vaccination clinics across the country. South West London Health and Care Partnership was hosted at the Badr al-Futuh Mosque on the 28th of March to provide vaccinations to eligible members of the community.
Today is the UK Jamaat's third pop-up clinic from the NHS. It's the second time we're holding it here in Badr al-Futuh. We have our members of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Doctors Association that are on hand to answer any questions.
We are holding another COVID-19 vaccination clinic here in line with NHS and government guidance. We would encouraging our members to take this vaccination.
It's important to follow the government guidelines. 1,000 people alhamdulillah were vaccinated last time. The NHS collaborated with the Jamaat here at Badr al-Futuh. And it's not just the men's side, there's the women's side as well.
We have got a number of volunteers as medical students, paramedic students. We have got nurses working with us and some doctors. So this is a big team working today, and hopefully we'll be able to do a big number of people.
It's been absolutely fantastic. Today is our biggest pop-up we have ever done. So we're aiming to do 1,500 patients today to get their COVID vaccination. So fantastic opportunity also to meet with the community, and hopefully this is the start of future work together.
The Ahmadiyya Muslim Community has now facilitated pop-up vaccination clinics in Wandsworth, Merton, Farnham and Manchester, in partnership with the NHS and local councils to promote the community's dedication towards service to humanity.
I'd like to thank everyone, and especially my constituents who've been involved in establishing the pop-up vaccination centre at Dar ul Aman.
The Ahmadiyya Muslim Community continues to support the country's efforts to combating the global pandemic and to play its part in serving humanity. This report is brought to you from MTA International UK Studios in London.